Hey, what's up everyone, Praful here and welcome to another episode of 915 Daily. Today, what was supposed to be an eventful day turned out to be a pretty normal day because pehle 45 minutes mein we saw a fall of 150 points and even the straddle spiked by a good 20-25 points because on a base of 140-145 straddle we spiking to almost 170. It is a big deal for weekly expiries, but towards the end of the day, the markets went sideways and even it recouped almost half of what it had lost. Of course, last 3-4 दिनों से लगातार एक bullishness दिखा रहा था and we were closing green. But today was the first day after 4 days that we closed minor red. काफी ज़्यादा red नहीं है. It's just a marginal red. I would not say this is profit booking or this is यहाँ पे वापस trend change हो रहा है. No, bullish trend is still in place and the bias is still bullish for me. And of course, we'll go to the terminal and we'll do an in-depth analysis. So, all right, guys. So first things first, let's analyze the price action. Let's analyze the chart patterns, right? So हमने ये discuss किए थे कि the markets are bullish but not very aggressively bullish, right? Because last 2 दिन हमने ये भी analyze किए थे based on the open interest and based on like how the positions were built. The markets have been positioning themselves for bullishness but not some sort of a runway rally. Runway rally तो नहीं मिलने वाला था, तो the markets were neutral to bullish. ये हमने discuss किए थे because एक अच्छा breakout हो गया था neckline से, but at the same time since we have this resistance to be taken out and also based on the open interest positioning जो 25,300 में open interest जो position build हुआ था when 2 days back, उसके basis पे हमने ये discuss किए थे कि the markets are supposed to stay between 25,500 and 25,050 levels, right? Even now, the bias is exactly the same. This can be just taken as a minor breather, एक cool off type का जो candle बना है, and what it has done is it has also formed a local top. एक local top ये बना दिया है, and that kind of gives the option sellers, especially the option writers, to hold their positions, especially the sold calls, until this high is clearly taken out, right? अभी भी position bias अभी भी bullish ही है, and for me the markets are bullish to neutral unless 25,100 levels are clearly taken out, at least 25,000 levels are clearly taken out. तो ये level breach होने तक the markets bias would be bullish to neutral. So if we go to the lower time frames, yes, of course, जैसे market open हुआ within the first 30-35 minutes, there was a good sell-off and we saw a 100-150 point move just around 10 o'clock. But after that, the walls had also spiked, but after that the markets kind of stabilized and post noon यहाँ पे एक channel बना के एक W pattern बना के the markets recovered almost half of the losses. Of course, last में 3 o'clock के आसपास एक volatile move था, but nothing to be scared of because this is not the beginning of a sell-off in my opinion, because the walls also say the same story. हम walls के बारे में भी बात करेंगे, but from the price action point of view, this now acts as a very good demand zone and this would be a local top. एक localized एक resistance बन चुका है. Unless we head out of this level, we can't see some sort of a runway rally. Alright, अगर हम walls की बात करें तो if you look at like how Nifty's walls played out today, we opened at almost यहाँ से, right? We opened almost at 147 यहाँ पे. This is today's walls. We opened here 145 पे हमने open किए and just because we saw some sort of a downfall, 150 point जो sell off आया, उसके basis पे the walls also spiked from 145 से लेके 170 तक walls spike हो गए थे. But after that जहाँ पे market consolidate हुआ and market थोड़ा recover किया, the walls also started cooling off and we ended at 129, which is one of the lowest in the recent months. Of course, VIX भी अभी single digit में चल रहा है, 9.9 पे VIX चल रही है, and the realized moves are also in line with what the option premiums are implying. So for writers, especially neutral writers, taking this 120 rupees ka straddle overnight would not be very prudent in my opinion. That is why even I have no positions overnight. But tomorrow, that is Monday, which is going to be 1 DT for Nifty, we're going to be opening somewhere around 120 or 110. अगर 115 के नीचे जब open हो जाता है, then it is very the risk reward is very unfavorable for delta neutral traders. अगर wall crush के लिए या टीटा डीका के लिए trade करोगे तो that is not the risk reward is not very favorable for the option writers. So I'd be waiting either for a spike in walls or to trade some sort of a mean reversion models on the price action front. ठीक है, वो discuss करेंगे. But if you look at the month end walls also, the similar story, because we opened somewhere around 270 लेवल्स एंड उसके बाद 270 से लेके 300 तक हमको स्पाइक देखने को मिला. एंड उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स सिंस द मार्केट्स कंसोलिडेटेड एंड रिकवर्ड लाइक हाफ ऑफ द लॉसेस, द वॉल्स ऑन द मंथली आल्सो कूल्ड. आई मीन अभी फिलहाल इस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स को एक्सपायर होने के लिए वी हैव अराउंड 10-11 days and 274 points is just over 1%. So the walls are definitely not in favor of the option writers. Risk reward इतना ज्यादा है नहीं, but at the same time the realized moves are also in line with what the premiums are implying. अगर open interest की बात करें तो the story is pretty much the same. जो 23rd की open interest को बात करें तो story is pretty much the same, because हम कल देखे थे कि there were a lot of aggressive put writing that had happened at 25,400 and 25,500. So those puts have been unwound because अभी एक runway rally नहीं आया है and the markets have formed a local top. But at the same time, the 25,400 calls have been returned, 25,500 calls have been returned, and at the same time 25,300 calls have also been returned. जो 25,300 पे कल unwound हुआ था वहां पे वापस calls आए हैं, and again we are back at the same situation which we were 2 days back, where the markets are at 25,300 and the option writers are getting 200 points plus or minus, which makes the range for this current expiry to be between 25,500 and 25,100. 25,150 पे एक resistance भी है, तो ideally 25,150 is also not supposed to be taken out. Alright, अगर कल की बात करें तो we'd be trading Nifty 1DT on Monday and we'll be discussing different scenarios, right? Just like how we discuss different scenarios. So दो चीजें हो सकती है, एक्चुअली तीन चीजें हो सकती है, बट वन ऑफ द सिनेरियोस इज वेरी इम्प्रोबेबल अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, बिकॉज देयर इज नो न्यूज, ग्लोबल न्यूज फ्लो भी नहीं है, तो देयर इज वेरी लेस लाइकलीहुड ऑफ मार्केट्स ओपनिंग अबव दिस रेंज. तो कल के जो टॉप बना हुआ है, स्पेशली यहाँ पे ट्रिपल टॉप बना हुआ है ऑन अ स्मॉलर टाइम फ्रेम, तो इसके ऊपर खुलने का जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है काफी कम है. इफ द मार्केट्स ओपन हियर इट वुड बी अ नो ट्रेडिंग डे फॉर मी, बिकॉज यहाँ से अ वेरी शार्प सेलिंग कुड बी एक्सपेक्टेड. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जैसे ओपन होगा वहां पे एक सेलिंग एक्सपेक्ट कर सकता है, बट दैट इज अ वेरी लो प्रोबेबिलिटी इवेंट इन माय ओपिनियन. The higher probability event would be something like markets might open here or markets might open here. So if at all markets open here, so definitely we'd be playing this range. ठीक है, तो depending upon like how close we open to this resistance, we'll be playing the range. And just the moment this range gets taken out, we'll be playing directional. We'll be trying to trade this trend, but not through credit spreads, but rather through debit spreads. Because अगर डायरेक्शन को कैप्चर करना चाहते हैं तो the risk reward would be better if you trade debit spread, at least in this low volatile environment. तो क्रेडिट स्प्रेड के लिए आपको रिस्क रिवॉर्ड अच्छा नहीं मिलने वाला है. बट इफ यू ओपन गैप डाउन, यहां पे ओपन होके इफ अट ऑल वी ब्रीच दिस, लेट्स से अगर इस लेवल को अगर ब्रीच कर देते हैं तो देन probably the tide must probably the tide may change, and the probability of this is also very low in my opinion, because यहाँ पे हर जगह पे यहाँ पे फेयर प्राइस डिस्कवरी के साथ एक रैली आई है, एक ट्रेंड आई है, तो देयर विल बी सपोर्ट वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ दीज पॉइंट्स. यहाँ पे किसी भी डायरेक्शन में किसी भी लेवल से मार्केट एक वापस यू टर्न ले सकता है. तो इन माय ओपिनियन the most likely scenario would be we'd be opening in this range and we'd be playing this range. Of course ये रेंज को कैसे प्ले कर सकता है, बिकॉज द प्रीमियम्स आर एक्सट्रीमली लो, एंड ये जो 350 से लेके 450 एंड 350 से लेके 288, 100 पॉइंट ऊपर एंड 100 पॉइंट नीचे का जो रेंज है, यू वुड नॉट बी एबल टू होल्ड इट कंफर्टेबली इफ यू ओपन द स्ट्रैडल राइट एट द ओपन. सो फर्स्ट आई विल वेट फॉर वन साइड टू स्पाइक एंड प्रोबेबली आई विल ट्राई टू ट्रेड द मीन रिवर्शन हियर, या अगर यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट होता है तो आई विल ट्राई टू trade the breakout. So that would be my plan, guys. So I'll see you guys in my next analysis on 915 daily. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.